How to check Google Forms that you have filled out and submitted. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can check Google Forms that you have filled out and submitted. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step that you'll need to take is make sure that you're logged in into your account, obviously. So also you'll need to keep in mind that you'll need to open up your Google Drive from the account that you basically used to fill out the form. So this only works when you are using the same Google account or any other account. So after you've opened up your Google Drive, what you can do is head over to the files option at the bottom right. Now from here, it can take a lot of time scrolling through each and every files. What you can do instead of that is head over to the search bar on the top. Tap on the search bar on the top, and on the search bar here you will find types. Simply tap on types, and from here you can select your forms. So select the forms option right there. After you've selected forms, you can see all the forms that you've filled out till now. Since I haven't filled out any forms from this very account, there isn't any option, but for you, there might be. So simply see the forms that are available right here and you're good to go. And it's basically that simple, guys. All you have to do is open up the drive from the account that you filled out the form from and just check out the forms. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and if you liked it, don't forget to press the like button down below and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.